Good morning. My name is Austin Akinfra, and I welcome you to the second lesson in our series, the Python series. In our first class, our first lesson, we talked about how to install the Python environment, that is a Jupyter Notebook on VS Code. We went through the process of installing Jupyter Notebook on VS Code. And in this class, we're also going to talk about the Python environment, how to install Jupyter Notebook, but now taking it from a distribution called the Anaconda distribution. Now, so at the end of the day, we'll now choose which one you will have an alternative to choose whether you want to use the VS Code that has Jupyter Notebook or use the Anaconda distribution. So how do we deal with the Anaconda distribution? You just come here, you go to your Google Chrome, you open the Google Chrome, and once the Google Chrome opens, the next thing you want to do is just type Anaconda download. Like this, it comes with the different Anaconda downloads, and then you pick any of them. I advise that you pick either this first one or the second one. Once you pick it and you click on it now, it will now begin to install Anaconda for you. Now I am not going to click on it because I'm not going to install it because I already have it on my system. So after it has finished installing, I will endeavor you to be patient because at the time it will be as if it's not installing, but it is installing at the background. So you allow it to do its magic. After it has finished installing and everything, the next thing you do is that some people go the route of calling the Anaconda distribution, but now it's a distribution that has different packages inside. Now, what you do, you just come here like this and you type what Jupyter Notebook. You now say, like I said, that it has brought out the Jupyter Notebook. See the Jupyter Notebook here now. You just click on what open. It will now open the Jupyter Notebook because that is actually what we want to collect from the Anaconda distribution. It opens the Jupyter Notebook for you. You can see that it's now opening the Jupyter Notebook. We wait for it to do its magic. Once it opens the Jupyter Notebook now it has opened the Jupyter Notebook. This is what Jupyter Notebook now. Now this Jupyter Notebook now, this interface you are seeing now, let us just play with the interface now. The interface now captures everything that is what on your desktop, everything that is on your computer, not your desktop. Everything that is on your computer, it will capture it. You can see that it has captured everything on my computer. So what do I do now? Now from here now, the next step I want to now take is I come here now. I want to create a new folder. So I come here and I say I create a new folder. I do this. Before I even begin to create a new folder now, I come, where do I want to create the new folder? Now, I told you it captures everything on our desktop now. I want to create it inside my document. So I come and I click my document so that it will take me to my document because that is where I want to create everything that I want to create. So that now I'm inside my document now. There's a folder I'm inside my document that I'm looking for. I want to now look for Django, yeah. So inside my document, I want to create my folder inside Django folder. So from here now, I am inside the Django folder. I can say document Django. That's where I'm inside now. Now once I'm inside the document Django, now I want to create my folder inside the document Django. So I come here now and I say folder like this. Now, once I say folder, it has created the folder. I have to now look for the folder that it has created now. If you want to get it now, you look at when the time it has created, you see folder created seconds ago. So now this is the folder it has created here. This is the folder. So I come here like this. I click on that folder and I actually want to change the name. So that was why I did that. So I come here, I open the folder. Now, this is the folder here now. You can see that we are here now in the output. So inside our folder, we want to create a file inside this folder. So I come now, but we want to create a Python file. If you remember when we were doing it with the VS Code, we create a IPY notebook. Now this is the same thing here now, but now the Jupyter here has already given us. So I just come here now and I create it. I click on it to create it. And once I click on it, I'll come and name my file. This is here now. I can name it training. I say name it training. and I say what now it has been renamed training. So now this is where we'll be writing what our our Python programming language now. Now everything we want to learn about Python, we'll be writing it here now. Now, like I told you, you can decide to choose whichever one you want. You can decide to choose this one from taking it from the Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda distribution, Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda distribution, or you can decide to what use Jupyter Notebook that is on what on our VS Code, whichever one. Me, I prefer this one. So from the next class now, I will what, take you around the environment of what Jupyter Notebook, teach you how to create folders, teach you how to create files, and show you what all these icons, what they all do, and what we use them for. Now, thank you very much for what for listening to what for engaging in this series. Like I said, my name is Austin, and please, if you know this you are gaining from this particular training, I would like you to subscribe, like, and what share. Now, this is the second lesson that we are doing on this particular series, the Python series. Now, the lesson is going to be a very long one. But after the base Python, we are going to see how to use Python for what for web development with Django. Then we are going to see how to use Python for what data analysis, using the Python libraries, and we're also going to see how to use Python for machine learning. Now, thank you very, very much.